Chapter 19. Can we use moving floors in production logistics? What do I mean by production logistics? Well, I mean, can we use the moving floor as a conveying system in a normal factory? And this is a very good question. If we could, we would see many, many moving floors in normal factories today, but it is not the case. Why do we use rarely those moving floors in normal production lines? Let's start with a definition. Behind me, you see the design of the principle of conveying products in such a production line. You see the definition of a product, the width, B1, the length, L1, and the height, which is H in this design. And these products, they're conveyed by a conveyor that has width big B and speed little v. And between two products, we have a distance D, and this is very important. Normally, in the production lines, we define a certain distance between two products. For logistical reasons, we need that product items are separated. This is the big difference to bulk material. Bulk material, they're on a heap, and we do not know if there's any difference between two products or if they are side by side in this heap. So the definition of this distance between two items is one of the most important things in a production line. Does a moving floor correspond to these specifications? Can a production manager expect the moving floor do such a conveying effect? Well, the answer, perhaps you know it already. It's quite difficult for a moving floor to guarantee such a distance between two singular products, because the moving floor has always slats that go backward, and during this backward movement, yes, we take the risk. We have the risk that the slats may push products or pull them, and the distance between two products cannot be guaranteed.